Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about some other aspect of the topographical map, in which number one, water divide. As in the diagram you can see, this is the diagram of water divide. What is the water divide means? A line which separates two adjacent drainage basin is known as water divide. But how you can identify from the topographical map? So we can identify from the topographical map. You can see these feature here. These contour lines are generally irregular in shape and they are very close to each other, and here you can see they are very close to each other, and sometime they run very close and sometime they meet with each other. Then there is maybe waterfall or water divide. Water divide is also called the water parting. What is the other name? Water parting, watershed, or water divide. Next, that is directions. What do you mean by direction and how to find out the direction? So focus here. A compass showing a cardinal directions, total 360-degree, north, south, east and west. These 4 points are called cardinal points. North, south, east, west direction, that is also referred as cardinal points or 4 main directions, and directions is very essential. As you can see, north, south, east, west. So these 4 points are called cardinal points, and these are very important tool while reading a topographical map. It is a special significance when we use by the army. On all the maps, the directions are indicated by a north-south line, north always pointing towards the north, that is the true north. So these are the 4 main direction. Then next, these what we talking about cardinal points. So this is north, this is south, this is east and this is west. And if this part we consider, that is this is north, this is east, then this is northeast. This is east, this is south, then this is called southeast. This portion is the west, this is south, so this corner is the southwest. This is west, this is north, then this is called northwest. More way to understand this, suppose always remember the top is the north and bottom is the south. While there is confusion, either this is east or west or this is east or west. So imagine this is a map of India or whatever it may be. Then eastern side, Bay of Bengal. So Bay of Bengal is in the east, Arabian Sea in the west. So in this way we can identify. For example, further you can see here, suppose we don't know this is east or west. So imagine here the map of India. Eastern side Bay of Bengal and western side Arabian Sea. So that confusion also go. This side is east and this side is west. Always the top is north and bottom is south. So this is all 8 cardinal points. Why it is called 8? Because you can count down north, northeast, east, southeast, likewise up to north. Then total 8 points are coming, so it is called 8 cardinal points. Suppose suppose this is a spot height of 300 written, and question asks what is the direction from the center. So what is the direction? It falls between north and northeast. So n plus ne. So its exact location is north, northeast. Same way, suppose any feature is here, then what is the direction? It falls between southeast and east. So southeast plus east. So what will be there? South, east, east. In this way we will say the direction of that particular point is south, east, east. So this is about the card. Now we are learning direction with reference to river and river banks. As you can see here, the river flowing from northeast direction to southwest direction. How? This is north top, bottom is south, this is east, this is west. So this portion is, this corner is northeast. Same way, this is south, this is west. So this corner is southwest. Now question arises, from which direction the river coming from. So we will check out here the spot height. You can see here 242 is the spot height. This is 237 is the spot height, and direction is also given in the river. So river is originating from northeast, that is the source of origin, and flow towards the southwest. So in which direction the river flows? Southwesterly direction. One more question come, that bank of the river. Suppose this spot height of 237 is located on which bank of the river? So specifically there are two banks here, left bank or right bank. We can say north bank or south bank also here, but more preferably we are using right and left bank. Now the direction of the river is this, and we are facing the direction of the river. Here we stand, suppose, inside the river facing towards the flow of the river. So this side over which hand come? Left hand. So it is left bank, and this side right. So it is right bank. So in this way 242 on which bank of the river? That is right bank of the river, and 237 spot height, that is in the left bank of the river. Now another example of the direction of some of the village, how to find out. Direction with reference to the village. This is Karja and this is Rampura. Question asked, what is the direction of Rampura from Karja? Then how we can find out? So here from Karja, so from here we will set that 8 cardinal points. So this will north, this will south, this part is east, and this part is west. So this is south, this is west, so this direction southwest. So what is the direction of Rampura? That is southwest direction. Now reverse the question, what is the direction of Karja from Rampura? Then how we can find out the direction of Karja from Rampura? So here 8 cardinal points we will set. Now you can see this is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. So this is north, this is east, so this is northeast. So Karja is located northeast direction from Rampura. How to find out the measuring distance and calculating area. Measuring distance in a straight line or as the crow flies distance. For example, here you can see Pithapura and this is Gulabganj. Question is, what is the direct distance between them? Find out in kilometers. So how we can find out? With the help of divider or with the help of scale. What we will do first, from Pithapura center to the center of Gulabganj, we will measure the distance, and how much it comes. Here you can see it comes 4 kilometer, 4 centimeter. There is 0 and this center is 4. So what is the ground distance? Now scale of the map, 2 centimeter equal to 1 kilometer. So 4 divided by 2, so 2 kilometer. So ground distance is 2 kilometer. If it comes 5 centimeter between them, then how much is the ground distance? The ground distance, divide 4.5 centimeter into 2, then it will come 2.5 kilometer. That is the ground distance in actuality or reality. So this type of question is there as a direct question. It is also called bird flying distance or crow flying distance. How you can find out with the help of divider? One end of the divider keep here, second end keep it here. So this 2 point you can mark on the scale and measure it. So that will come in centimeter. Same way it comes suppose 5 centimeter, then 5 divided by 2, it will come 2.5 kilometer. So in this way we find out the direct distance. Another one, to find out the distance indirect way. How we can find out the distance indirectly? So suppose this is the measuring distance of curved road with a thread. Now question asks, from one end to other end you can measure the distance. And how we can measure the distance? Suppose it is a river, and river flowing from southwest to which direction? South east direction. This is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. So this is southwest and flowing towards southeast direction, since the arrow is given here. So that indicates the direction of the river. Now question is how to calculate the distance of this river from this point to this point. Take the thread. Thread is generally available, some thick thread that is. Mark one end of the thread here. This point, place it here. Curve to curve you can mark on the thread. You can mark like this, you can mark like this. You can start from this side or you can start with this side. Suppose this is the A point. From here you have to measure the distance. Then we are marking curve to curve. So 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this way, this all in 12. Just 12 centimeter. Then further up to B, that is question asked. Suppose from A to B you can mark the distance. From here scale, then this is 12, this is 13 centimeter, this is 14, and this is suppose it comes 14.2 centimeter. How much the distance come? 14.2. So what we will do? What is a scale? 2 centimeter equal to 1 kilometer. So what we will do here? 14.2 divided by 14.2 divided by 2, that is 7 point. How much come? 7.1 kilometer. But the question asks find out the answer in kilometer in meter. Then 7 kilometer 100 meter. If the question asks find the answer entirely in kilometer meters, so that is 2700 meter. But here you can give why, since 1 kilometer represents 1000 meter. So it is 2700 meter. So in this way indirect distance we can find out.